Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9AT, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this Xiaomi through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show up and tap on the one that you want to connect to. Then you need to select Pair in the pop-up over here and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always forget this connection by tapping on this icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!